I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken lollipop at home. First, gather your ingredients. About 12 chicken drumettes, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, and corn flour. Begin by preparing the chicken drumettes. Hold each drumette by the bone and push the meat down towards the joint, creating a lollipop shape. This step is crucial for the classic presentation and even cooking. Make sure all the bones are clean and exposed. Now let's marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine the shaped chicken with 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly, ensuring each chicken piece is well coated. Then, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 egg white. This helps create a crispy exterior. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb all the flavors. It's time to fry. Heat oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the marinated chicken lollipops into the hot oil, frying them in batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook each batch for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until golden brown and cooked through. While they fry, you can quickly prepare a simple sauce with soy sauce, chili sauce, and a touch of vinegar for that perfect tangy kick. Once fried, transfer the chicken lollipops to a serving platter. Garnish with some fresh chopped cilantro or spring onions for a vibrant touch. These delicious chicken lollipops are best enjoyed hot, perhaps with a side of the tangy sauce you prepared, or your favorite dipping sauce. They are perfect for parties or a fun family meal. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.